Hi there, I am Amelia for Riches, and a little bit about me. I did my undergrad at Bethany College in Lynchburg, Kansas. I graduated in 2016. I'm originally from Waukene in northwest Kansas. Um, where I am, I've been at Heston for the last 2 years, so I finished up my second year teaching at Heston High School. I teach social studies, government, and geography specifically. There I also am the assistant boys tennis coach and the assistant girls tennis coach, and I help with middle school tennis a little bit there as well. Um, and then I also am the student council sponsor at the high school there. Communication. Communication is super important for positive community school relationships. Heston is a small town, and so we're a fairly small school district or a large 3A school, but being in a small community, it's really important that the school and the community have positive relationships. And so that means having a presence. So being in the newspaper, communicating with the newspaper. That means having a presence on social media, and that's beyond sporting events. You know, that's what's going on in the classroom, and that's what's trips are being taken, and what other extracurriculars are succeeding beyond just the athletics there. I also think that the school website's really important to get communication out there. I think a lot of community members look at that, and so it's important to keep that up to date and keep that really prevalent because I know in Heston we just have really close relationships, and I think as an administrator, having a presence in the community, so showing up to things, being really a part of the community, because wherever you go, you are a staple in that community, and so just having a presence and making it known and being seen around town, and getting to know people, being involved, I think is really important for positive school and community relationships, because I know, they fund a lot of things. We get a lot of volunteers because we have good relationships with the community. They're very involved, and they're excited about what we're doing. They totally support us, and they're proud to be have a school district that's good, that's successful, and whatever it is that we're doing. And so it's really important to maintain those and communicate. I think that's the number one thing. So I'm excited to learn from all of you in this course. So thanks for watching.